how to convert Google Play balance into redeem code, and is it even possible? So I'm going to answer this question, and guys, please don't hate me for this, and I'm going to be totally honest with you. There is no such thing called converting Google Play balance into redeem code. There is none. So people are making just fake videos. I'm just trying to clear things up. So what I mean, okay, just go to your account, go to payment and subscription, go to payment method. As you can see, I have a balance on my Google Play account. So I can't, I can't take this out, and I cannot use this somewhere else. I have to use this only on Play Store. I cannot withdraw it, or I cannot withdraw and redeem into a redeem code. That is not possible on Play Store. So don't waste your time into watching fake videos. All are just spamming and fake videos. Okay, so just be safe and try to not get scammed. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.